Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add comparison table for your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down to the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets is comparison table. So click here on sign up for free. Now you want to sign with Google or Facebook or normal mail, it's up to you. And when you got it, click login. So right here, you want to write to the search table and you want to find pricing table. Now here you're gonna see comparison table, and that's what we want. Let's continue with the template. Now you can choose between the layout, which one you like, so the columns. Now you can go with the content, like okay, you can change the features, the title, the picture, also the button. If you got affiliate links, the button link would be here, which is perfect. And this is like this feature is really great, because if you want to create a lot of these, like L-Site is amazing for it. So you can also add a new one if you like. Oh my god, this is perfect. So yeah, now yes, let's click save, and you can change the colors in appearance. When we have the code here, right before that you need to choose a plan. You can start with the basic or pro version, which is 50,000 views or 5,000 views. But if you're only starting out, start with the light one. If you're only creating the site, go with this, but other way, go with the basic or pro. So let's copy the code, HTML, let's add HTML. Let's click save and preview. And now voila, here we got a perfect comparison table for our HTML website. I think this is really amazing. Having it for it's really great. To have it for affiliate links or products on your site, this is super cool. Do you know what I would be really thinking about? If I could make them in a rows, not in these tables. That's what I'm curious. Interesting. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.